Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best cycling sunglasses? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best cycling sunglasses of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling cycling sunglasses. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box, where the link. Product 1. Product name: SCVN Men Bicycle Cycling Sunglasses. The SCVN Men Bicycle Cycling Sunglasses are designed to meet the specific needs of cyclists, providing both style and functionality. With features tailored for outdoor sports enthusiasts, these sunglasses offer UV 400 protection, shielding the eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays during long rides under the sun. Crafted with precision, these sunglasses offer a comfortable fit, essential for extended periods of wear during cycling, hiking, or running sessions. The design caters to both men and women, ensuring a universal appeal and suitability for various activities including mountain biking, road cycling, and driving. The lenses are optimized to enhance visibility, allowing cyclists to maintain focus on the road ahead while reducing glare and improving contrast. This feature is particularly valuable for navigating different terrains and lighting conditions encountered during outdoor adventures. Product 2. Product name: Luxury Heatwave Brand Sunglasses. Experience unparalleled style and protection with the new line of Luxury Heatwave brand sunglasses. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these sunglasses epitomize sophistication and quality. Featuring square conjoined lenses, they offer a unique and contemporary look that seamlessly blends fashion with functionality. Whether you're cycling, enjoying outdoor activities, or simply soaking up the sun, these sunglasses provide UV 400 protection, ensuring your eyes stay shielded from harmful rays. Designed for both men and women, they exude versatility and elegance, making them the perfect accessory for any occasion. Product 3. Product name: Specialized Cycling Sunglasses. Specialized cycling sunglasses offer a blend of style, performance, and protection tailored specifically for cyclists, both men and women, whether they're hitting the mountain trails or cruising on the road. These eyewear pieces are designed to enhance the cycling experience by providing clarity, comfort, and safety under various outdoor conditions. Key features of specialized cycling sunglasses include optimized vision. The lenses are often made from high-quality materials, offering clarity and enhanced contrast to improve visibility on the road or trail. They may also come with coatings to reduce glare and improve visual acuity in different lighting conditions. Protection: specialized cycling sunglasses prioritize eye protection against harmful UV rays, debris, wind, and other environmental elements. The design often includes wraparound frames and impact-resistant lenses to shield the eyes from debris kicked up during rides. Comfort and fit: these sunglasses are crafted with lightweight materials. Specialized cycling sunglasses incorporate ventilation features to prevent fogging, particularly during high-intensity rides. Strategic vent placement helps to maintain airflow and reduce moisture buildup, ensuring clear vision throughout the ride. Durability: built to withstand the rigors of cycling, these sunglasses are often constructed from durable materials that can endure frequent use and exposure to outdoor elements. Scratch-resistant coatings help to maintain lens integrity, ensuring long-term performance. Style: while functionality is paramount, specialized cycling sunglasses. Product 4. Product name: SCVN Photochromic Cycling Sunglasses. The SCVN Photochromic Cycling Sunglasses are a cutting-edge addition to the world of cycling eyewear, designed to cater to the needs of both amateur enthusiasts and professional cyclists. These sunglasses boast photochromic lenses, a feature that adapts to changing light conditions, ensuring optimal visibility regardless of the environment. Whether you're navigating through shaded trails or under the glare of the sun, these glasses offer reliable UV 400 protection, safeguarding your eyes from harmful rays. Specifically crafted for outdoor activities like cycling, these sunglasses prioritize functionality without compromising on style. The sleek design appeals to both men and women, with a focus on comfort and durability. Additionally, the glasses are engineered to stay securely in place even during intense rides, providing stability and peace of mind to cyclists. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising down the road, the SCVN Photochromic Cycling Sunglasses gear for any Product 5. Capvo Cycling Glasses. Capvo cycling glasses are specifically designed eyewear tailored for outdoor enthusiasts, engaging in various activities such as cycling, mountain biking, MTB, running, skiing, fishing, climbing, and more. These sunglasses offer a versatile solution for individuals seeking eye protection and clarity of vision during their outdoor pursuits. One of the standout features of Capvo cycling glasses is their polarization, which helps reduce glare and enhances visibility, especially in bright sunlight or reflective surfaces commonly encountered during outdoor activities. This polarized lens technology is particularly beneficial for cyclists and runners who need to maintain clear vision while navigating through different terrains and lighting conditions. Furthermore, these glasses are designed to be lightweight and durable, ensuring comfort during extended wear and resilience.